Hello, my name is Gianni Perea from Worcester Polytechnic Institute, and today we will be demonstrating how to test pH using a pH meter. The specific grow line pH tester is the one we will be using today. If your pH tester has different instructions, please follow the instructions specific to that tester, as they may vary.
First, turn on the tester by pressing the power button. Then flip the tester and remove the battery cover on the back of it by twisting the small arrow to the right toward the unlock symbol. Once removed, press the meter setup button located toward the bottom right of the battery. The meter should now display the word set along with a lowercase t under it. Then press the power button 2 times to switch into calibration setup. The meter should now display either Cal Quick or Cal Standard. Pressing the Cal button switches between the two. If the meter is not already displaying Cal Quick, press the Cal button to switch to it. Once the meter displays Cal Quick, press the power button to exit out of calibration setup. You can now put the battery cover back on. The meter should now be ready for calibration. First, start by pouring the calibration solution HI-536 provided in the kit into a beaker large enough to fit the bottom part of the meter covered by the green plastic cover. Now, remove the green plastic cover. Then, submerge the meter into the HI-536 solution. You may need to turn the beaker at an angle as shown here so that the meter is correctly submerged and is calibrating. You will be sure it is when the top left of the display is flashing an hourglass symbol on and off. Once calibration is complete, the meter will display star for a second and then return to the measurement display. Before testing, dip and swirl the meter in some clean distilled water in order to clean it. It is now ready for testing. Simply press the power button, remove the green plastic cover, and submerge the meter into the water sample you would like to test. Then gently swirl the meter around the sample as shown. Do this until the meter's stability indicator or the small hourglass symbol on the top left stops flashing on and off, and the value displayed in bigger numbers at the top of the display stops changing. Keep the meter submerged and record the value displayed. Once recorded, you can now take the meter out and clean it by dipping and swirling it in some clean distilled water. Testing is now complete.